Introduction. Meet Alex, an enthusiastic music lover who suddenly found himself dealing with the annoyance of frequent earwax buildup. Frustrated by the constant need to clean his ears, he embarked on a mission to find playful and effective ways to maintain clean ears for longer periods. If you've ever been in Alex's shoes, don't worry. We've got some lighthearted yet science-backed tips to help you keep your ears spick and span without the constant hassle. Let's dive into these ear cleaning strategies that will keep you smiling and your ears happy. Number 1. Hands-off policy. Alex realized that sticking his fingers into his ears was a no-no. Research published in the International Journal of Pediatric Otorhinolaryngology highlights the risk of injury and infection from inserting fingers or objects into the ear canal. Number 2. Drying dance. After a shower, Alex adopted a little ear drying dance. By tilting his head and gently pulling on his earlobe, he allowed water to escape naturally. The Journal of Laryngology and Otology emphasizes the importance of keeping the ear canal dry to prevent infections. Number 3. Cotton swab mythbuster. Alex let go of the cotton swab myth and avoided inserting them deep into his ears. The American Academy of Otolaryngology Head and Neck Surgery Foundation warns against using cotton swabs to clean earwax, as it can push wax deeper into the ear canal. Number 4. Olive oil elixir. Alex embraced the soothing effects of olive oil. A few drops of warm olive oil can soften earwax, making it easier to naturally work its way out. The Journal of Family Medicine and Primary Care discusses the effectiveness of olive oil for earwax management. Number 5. Hygiene Heroes. Alex kept his ears clean as part of his daily hygiene routine. Gently wiping the outer ear with a damp cloth can prevent excessive buildup, as recommended by the World Health Organization. Number 6. Limit sound invasion. Alex recognized the importance of protecting his ears from loud noises. Prolonged exposure to loud sounds can contribute to earwax production. A study in the American Journal of Audiology discusses the correlation between noise exposure and cerumen, earwax, production. Number 7. Balanced diet benefits. Alex included omega-3 fatty acids in his diet. These healthy fats help maintain skin health, including the ear canal. The International Journal of Molecular Sciences explores the potential benefits of omega-3 fatty acids for skin health. Number 8. Regular checkups. Alex scheduled regular visits to an ear care professional. Professional ear cleaning can help prevent excessive wax buildup and potential complications. The Journal of Family Medicine and Primary Care emphasizes the importance of regular ear examinations. Conclusion. Taking care of your ears doesn't have to be a tedious task. With these playful yet scientifically supported tips, you can maintain clean ears for longer periods while enjoying your favorite tunes and activities without worries. Just like Alex, embrace these ear care strategies and keep your ears happy, healthy, and ready to face the world's symphony of sounds.